Acting Entertainment Job Websites at Curlie. Chapter 1. Many entertainment job listings at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment. Useful websites at curlie.org/n/art/performing_arts/acting. Subcategories: actors and actresses, databases and casting services, education, unions, chats and forums, news and media, improvisation theater, storytelling. The actorsstudio.org website. The Actors Studio, 432 West 44th Street, New York, New York 10036. Phone 212-757-0870. Fax 212-757-7638. Actors Studio West, 8341 De Longpre Avenue, West Hollywood, California 90069. Phone 323-654-7125. Fax 323-654-8266. Acting news websites at curlie.org/n/art/performing_arts/acting/news_and_media. Backstage.com, Backstage. Features casting notices, actor resume, photos, resources and articles. evansopus.blogspot.com, Diary of a Chicago Actor. An actor based in America's cultural greenhouse. Arts_and_entertainment employment subcategories at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment. Film and video. Freelance referral services. Individual resumes. Privately owned companies. Recruitment and staffing. Arts_and_entertainment job websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment. Twinsworld.com/casting.html, Dreammakers Casting Agency. The only talent agency exclusively for twins and multiples for print, TV, and film. Entertainmentcareers.net. Philcrow.com/page9.htm, Philcrow Media Staffing. Provides recruitment services to radio, TV and cable broadcasters, multinational media and entertainment conglomerates, record labels and major corporations developing or initiating their own internal media resources. Gigsalad.com, Gigsalad. Helps you hire live entertainment and book event services for your events. Grapevine.jobs.com.au, Grapevine Jobs Australia and New Zealand, 5Bs Media Thai Ltd. Australia Job Board for Film, TV, Screen, and Broadcast Media Industry. MediaCentral.net, Media Central. Worldwide media production staffing. Provides local film and video crews, directors, script writers, graphics staff, editing, production, post-production, webcasting and other services anywhere on the globe. Forums.delphiforums.com/promusic, Professional Music Forum. Forum for people pursuing professional careers in the music business, message board where music professionals share their experiences with newcomers. Showbizjobs.com. WarnerBrosCareers.com, Warner Brothers. Careers. Film and video job websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment/film_and_video. ACFCwest.com, ACFC West, Local 2020 SEP. Technical Film Union. Mandy.com, Mandy's International Film and Television Production Directory. Database of television film producers, facilities, and technicians worldwide. Media-match.com, Media Match. Online directory of CVS for the television and film industry in the U.S. ProductionHub.com, Production Hub. Free directory and online community for individuals and companies in the film, video and digital media production industries. RealDirectory.com. Northern California online guide for film, video and multimedia. TVA-and-radiojobs.com, a TV and radio jobs listing. Broadcasting industry. Creative job websites at curlie.org/n/business/business_services/consulting/marketplaces/creative_referrals. Academicknowledge.com, academic knowledge. Research company with freelance experts in law, languages, mathematics, marketing, and technical writing.Essaywriters.net, essay writers. Freelance writing jobs for writers, researchers, and professionals. FreelanceJobSearch.com. Database of freelancers looking for work and employers' job postings for freelance gigs. GenieBazaar.com, Genie Bazaar. Connects businesses to freelancers and contractors, who specialize in various fields, including web programming, consulting, legal matters, writing, engineering and admin support. NewJerseyCreatives.org, New Jersey Creatives Network, Inc. A source for freelance creative talent, including writers, artists, designers, photographers, and film and video producers. QFolio.com, Folio. Online portfolio building and hosting for creative professionals in the visual arts and design trades. Individual resume websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment/individual_resumes. Use these websites as a guide to design your own professional website. CandiceBrown.com, Brown, Candice. Resume, biography, image gallery and related information for this Los Angeles-based comedian, actress, and writer. JohnCremians.com, Cremians, John. Television host and spokesperson. RebeccaHolden.com, Holden, Rebecca. Actress, SAG/AFTRA, singer and entertainer. DianeHoward.com, Howard, Diane. Professional and performance resume and curricula, including publications. LisaMarieWilson.com, Lisa Marie Wilson Teschner. Los Angeles-based actress, writer, and producer. ScottSwenson.com, Swenson, Scott. Information, resumes and photographs of the Florida-based actor, director, writer, and variety performer. MatthewWaters.com, Waters, Matthew. The official website of this Australian actor, singer, and dancer. TimberlyWhitfield.com, Whitfield, Timberly. Biography, resume, photographs, video clips and representation information for this on-air personality with experience in news, reporting, hosting and voiceovers. ChrisYoung.com, Young, Chris. Resume, information and links regarding his accomplishments as an actor, as well as producing and directing television and independent features. Entertainment company websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment/privately_owned_companies. EntertainmentJobsNow.com. JenDJEntertainment.tripod.com/JenDJEntertainment2.html, J and J Entertainment. Comedians and bands. ShowbizLtd.com, Showbiz Ltd. Offering information for actors, producers, writers, and models to reach entertainment industry executives. WorldPerk.com, WorldPerk. Casting directors and studios are creating the world's largest database for the entertainment industry. This is a free place for posting resumes, cast, crew, and extras. Entertainment headhunters at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/employment/recruitment_and_staffing. Subcategories. Fashion modeling. Broadcast and film. BigOrangeProductions.com, Big Orange Productions. Provides temporary promotion and marketing talent, actors, models, and outgoing personalities, in several major U.S. cities. DigitalPeople.net, Digital People. Creative staffing. Offices in many major U.S. cities. PaladinStaff.com, Paladin Staffing Services. Placement services for marketing, advertising, communications, public relations, and creative professionals in short and long-term jobs throughout the U.S. ProShip.com, ProShip Entertainment. Job opportunities for musicians, entertainers, performers, and technicians on cruise ships. TheSmartDepartment.com, TheSmartDepartment.inc. Creative staffing resource serving the Seattle and Chicago metro areas. Acting unions at curlie.org/n/art/performing_art/acting/unions. ActorsEquity.org, Actors Equity Association. The AEA union represents actors and stage managers in theater within the United States. BFFS.de, Bundesverband der Film- und Fernsehschauspieler. The German Screen Actors Guild BFFS. CAEA.com, Canadian Actors Equity Association. Involved in member protection and promotion and in fostering the growth and development of professional theatre and actors throughout Canada. SAGAFTRA.org, SAG-AFTRA. Screen Actors Guild, AFTRA includes information for members, actors, and industry services with FAQs, contracts and the SAG Awards. Voice actor job websites at curlie.org/n/art/animation/voice_actors/resources/database_and_casting_services. LotusProductions.com, Lotus Productions. Commercial voices for radio and television. ProcomVoices.com, Procom Studio Services. Voice talent roster from across America for radio and TV voiceovers. Voiceovers.co.uk. Directory of UK and international voiceovers with real audio demos, profiles, contact information and search facilities for producers. Voicesand.com, VoiceSand. A partnership of professional on-camera and voice performers.